Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp's Content Optimizer. This powerful feature analyzes your email campaigns and provides actionable suggestions to improve engagement, deliverability, and overall performance. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make your email content work harder for you. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the login button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password to access your Mailchimp account. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can sign in smoothly and get started with optimizing your content. After logging in successfully, look to the left navigation panel and click on Campaigns. This section serves as your command center for all email marketing activities. From here, you can see all your listed campaigns on your Mailchimp account, giving you a complete overview of your email marketing efforts. Now you have two options. You can select an existing campaign that you want to optimize, or you can create a brand new one from scratch. For this tutorial, let's work with an active template to see how the Content Optimizer functions in real time. Click on Email Templates, then navigate to Mailchimp Templates. This will display a collection of professionally designed templates that you can customize to match your brand. Browse through the templates listed and select one that catches your eye. Hover your cursor over your chosen template and click on Create Email. This action will take you to the next stage of the process where you can start building your campaign. You'll now be directed to your email settings page. Look at the right side of your screen and you'll find a button labeled Edit Design. Click on this button to access the email editor where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in the email editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left side panel, you'll notice three important options that control how you build and optimize your email. The first option is Add, which is where all the content blocks are located. You can drag these blocks directly into your email canvas for customization, allowing you to add a personal touch that suits your branding perfectly. Whether you need text, images, buttons, or dividers, everything is accessible from this section. Next, you have the Styles customization option. This is where you can adjust your page style by modifying the background, fonts, buttons, and every other design element to create a cohesive look that represents your brand identity. Consistency in styling helps build trust and recognition with your audience. Now here's where the real optimization happens. Click on the Optimize option. This feature will analyze your page content and provide you with optimization tips and guidance on how you can improve your email's performance. The Content Optimizer reads through your email and identifies areas that could be strengthened, such as subject line effectiveness, content length, image-to-text ratio, and overall engagement potential. Take your time to read through each guide and suggestion carefully. The optimizer might recommend adding more compelling calls to action, adjusting your text length, or improving readability. Based on these optimization suggestions, you can adjust and add content directly from this panel, making real-time improvements that can significantly boost your campaign's success rate. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use Mailchimp's Content Optimizer to create more effective email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.